Hello everyone, welcome back to the KMTRADERS channel. So we're going to take a look into gold, reviewed last week and give you some thoughts for this week. So the main question that we started to ask ourselves is this going to actually fall down? And we're looking to see if price can target 1740. Again, just to remind you, we're looking to ideally take out this low here. So just at 1764, that's the ideal target. Now we have this zone here, 1740, just as a guideline where price could go. And what we started to see is price heavily starting to retrace quite rapidly through the week. So we started to see a step up in price. Now I got a few questions of people. Well, one in particular, are we going to reach into 1700? Now, for me, I think it is still possible as long as we stay below this zone here. So this is, if you go back and look at this zone prior, these are the exact levels here if you want to go check it. There is some nice support and resistance. So this is a dynamic level of support and resistance. So this is where, for me, if we stay below this zone, we should be continuing to make some lows. So again, it's just understanding where momentum is and price action is exactly. So so I'm still convinced that we are pushing lower. We also have our EMA switching over, which is on the 4 hour. So again, some significance there. We also do have our downtrend as well playing out quite well. So again, we're just focusing on the bodies, not the wicks. The other thing as well is, we may have some divergence coming into play here. So there is, we do have this off peak here. So there is, divergence here in the sense that this is lower. There's basically a difference between the peaks of the RSI and the price action. So this is stepping down, this is stepping up. So we could have some slowing of momentum or difference there, and we should start to see price fall into these areas here. I do have this low level in the market again, zone 1680. This is the level in the market where it shouldn't really go past. Ideally, I want to see price come fall down into either these areas or anywhere in between here, and then once we can get this price action to fall below 1760, sorry, we could start to look at that next opportunity, which I did mention in a few of the gold analysis videos if you have been watching, that we could potentially be looking for a huge break to the upside, potentially targeting the current highs of the gold pair. So I think it's like 2080, yeah, so roughly above this level here. So we've got all these zones to take out. So it'll be a very interesting week or potential month for gold. So keep an eye out for this long-term move. I think it could be very profitable for you guys. So again, I do hope you guys did take some value from this. If you are new to this channel, we do have a trading group. That link is in the description. If you have any other questions, of course, I'm more than happy to answer them. Just reach out to me through my Instagram or our Telegram. So again, guys, thank you very much for listening, and we'll see you all in our next video.